free, just like I said a minute ago. You're the salt of the earth. You're the light of the world. You are the city that sits up on a hill. You are the example of what people should look at to see how to do things right. So if you're not leading them the right way, then you're leading them what?
The wrong way.
Oh, come on, talk to me. You doing what?
Leading them the wrong way.
Right. So let's make sure that we lead them the right way, because you blessed from there on. You got the juice. Amen. You have the ability to lead people in the right direction. You have the ability to walk and save like yourself. You can do it. Look at your neighbor. Touch your neighbor. Say, neighbor.
Neighbor.
Oh, come on. You ain't talking to me. Say, neighbor.
Neighbor.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Neighbor. You can do it.
You can do it. I'm going to use it tonight. Come on. I'm blessed. Come on. Y'all got to get up. Get up. Put your hands together like that. Come on, Samaria. I'm blessed. Oh, you ain't going to get up. You ain't going to get up. Like that. All right. I'm blessed from now on. Blessed flow through my home. They chase me when I'm gone. I'm blessed from now on. Blessed from now on. Blessed flow from this home. Close just like the chaperone. I'm blessed from now on. Blessed from now on. Blessed for the rest. Blessed because he brought me out my mess. I knew that he would do it and I knew it was a test. So why settle for less when I deserve the best? Blessed, not cursed, feel not hurt. Yes, blessings overtake me like a long sleeve shirt. Blessed going out, blessed coming in. People always tell me you're blessed, my friend. Can't you see it? I know you recognize it. It's my blessing, I can't hide it. Show won't deny it. But I'm testifying, let me slow down right here and clarify it. Blessed, constant access. Spiritual progress leading success. I ain't dancing see it, but I know I got it. It's all on me and I can't stop. You heard it in the book, you heard it in the verse. Play this song and you can hear it in your church. It's not just me, you can be blessed too. This what God longs to. Do you want to bless his people? Yes, it's true. He wants to come and bless you. Bless from now on, you can be created and declared. Come on, sing with me. Blessings flow through my home. They chase me when I'm gone. Bless from now on. Bless from now on. Blessings flow from his throne. Go just like the chaperone. I'm blessed from now on.